everybody! Tonight we are making something lovely and delicious, Mexican style. So I've decided to make a Mexican mince mix and we're going to put it into wraps, and you can also use it for tortillas or you can use it for nachos. Absolutely delicious. A little bit of oil. So we have to put it on there. Alright. And then I'm going to use Bowman and his famous crushed garlic and chili. We just need a little bit of chili to add this delicious mix. Give it a little bit of a bite. And we're going to add some salt and pepper. Oh, we'll add some garlic salt as well. Why not? How about a little bit of max spice, just to make it interesting. Garlic pepper, of course. Right, there we go. We're trying to beat the load shedding tonight, yeah? Hurry up before the load shedding comes. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bay leaf and some oregano. Okay, before the fire's gone off, we're going to just get this in here quickly. Okay, because this is the Mexican style, so it's got chilies in it, onions, green peppers, everything that you need to make this lovely Mexican wrap. You have to keep yourself a little bush baby, butane gas little camping stove, which is fabulous for people like me. Because it's just you only need one plate. Absolutely wunderbar, I tell you. Alright, there we go. Now you push. There we go. Push on. Ah, there we go. Magic. And here we continue. Thank you, South Africa, for your load shedding. Thank you, 𝐦𝐨𝐵𝐞, for your kindness. We appreciate everything you do for us. You buggers. You bloody buggers. So I'm going to just put this on now. Heaven in a plate.